Welcome to this tutorial on automating your Google Sheets with Google Apps Script. If you've ever wanted to collect form submissions directly into a spreadsheet, calculate scores automatically, and keep everything organized without spinning up a server, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through a powerful script that does exactly that. Let's start with the magic behind it all. There's no traditional backend server needed. Google Apps Script is your backend. It acts as a free API endpoint. Data from your form flows directly into your Google Sheet, automatically. That's right, no hosting, no databases, no monthly fees. Just Sheets and script. Here's how it works. When a post request comes in, maybe from a form on your website, it grabs your active Google Sheet and checks if the headers are correctly set up. Then it parses the incoming JSON data, which can include fields like email, name, company, and answers to 10 quiz questions. If a total score isn't provided, no problem. The script calculates it by summing all 10 answers. Next, it classifies the user into a stage. If the score is between 0 and 29, they're labeled emerging. 30 to 59 is developing. 60 to 84 is advancing. Anything above that is transformative. This turns raw responses into structured, business-ready insights. Here's where it gets smart. It uses a two-phase process. Phase 1, quiz scoring, happens locally in the browser. That gives the user instant results. Phase 2, lead capture, sends the data to Google Sheets, but only when the user opts in to receive the roadmap. This keeps things fast, user-friendly, and respectful of user privacy. Once the stage is determined, the script appends a new row to your spreadsheet. It includes a timestamp, the user's email, name, company, the total score, the stage, whether they submitted additional lead information, and all 10 question scores, neatly organized in columns. This makes it easy to review, sort, or filter your data anytime. And here's a feature I love, the Setup Headers function. It checks if your sheet has the right headers. If not, it creates them automatically, styles them in bold, and adds a background color to keep things clear and professional. Even if your sheet was empty or someone accidentally deleted the headers, this script restores everything in seconds. Let's take a quick detour into the technical hook. When the form sends data to the script, it uses mode. No cores in the fetch request. That's crucial for cross-origin requests. It avoids CORS errors. While the client can't read the response, that's okay, because the data still gets saved silently and reliably. It's a clever workaround that just works. Now let's talk business value. This script is a free alternative to paid form services like Typeform or JotForm. No monthly SaaS costs. No vendor lock-in. You get an automatic-led spreadsheet ready for follow-ups, CRM imports, or email campaigns. If you're running a consulting firm, offering online courses, or just collecting leads for your business, this is a powerful and cost-effective solution. There are also 2 bonus features. One is the do-get function. If you visit the script's endpoint in your browser, it returns a simple message to confirm everything is working. The other is the create headers function, which you can run manually to set up your headers anytime. No form submission required. And that's it. You now have a fully automated data capture system using nothing but free Google tools. It's simple, powerful, and scalable. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy automating.